안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today we are making air fryer soy garlic chicken that's crispy all over, packed with flavor and super easy to make. Let's get started. Start by slicing the chicken breast thinly, about a 1/4 inch thick, making 2 to 3 layers if needed. Then cut the slices into small rectangles, roughly 1 inch by 1 inch. I'm using chicken breast today, but chicken thighs give even more flavor. Place the chicken in a bowl and add the Korean frying mix and cornstarch or potato starch. Mix well until there is no dry powder left. Add some oil and mix again to coat each piece lightly. Line your air fryer tray with parchment paper. And then spread the chicken so the pieces don't overlap. I put the chicken into the air fryer. Set it to 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And it went through preheating before cooking started. After the first 12 minutes, flip all the chicken pieces. Cook again at 400 degrees for another 12 minutes. While the chicken finishes cooking, let's make the sauce. Add all the sauce ingredients into a pan such as soy sauce, vinegar, water, sugar, honey, minced garlic, and the black pepper. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. Now the chicken in the air fryer is golden and crispy, cooked just right. Turn off the heat and add the chicken to the sauce. Toast well until every piece is evenly coated. Finally, sprinkle in some sesame seed and give it one last mix. Plate the chicken and garnish with some chopped green onions and extra sesame seed. Enjoy your perfectly crispy air fryer soy garlic chicken. If you are planning a garden this spring, why not try planting some Korean vegetable seed? So please check out all 26 different kinds at my Korean Essence Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.